Hey everybody, Chris Bassett here. Do you have long form content just sitting around, like podcasts, vlogs, or tutorials, that can be turned into viral YouTube shorts? So today, I'm showing you exactly how to repurpose your long form videos into scroll stopping shorts, completely for free, using CapCut's AI tools. No paid software, no complicated editing, just upload, let AI do the heavy lifting, and export. So by the end of the video, you'll know how to create multiple high-quality shorts from one long-form video in minutes. Let's get into it. So all you're going to need is a CapCut account. I use the free version, so I just come over to capcut.com, and then you can download for free. And then you'll need a long-form video file. So what it take your software that you record on, whether that's OBS, I use Meld, and we're going to use that file. And then probably you're going to need some internet. I mean, your McDonald's Wi-Fi isn't going to probably cut it. So let's go ahead and go over to my CapCut, which I already have downloaded, and an account made. Here we go. So your home page looks something like this. You can basically create a project, which I have a project started right here. I've edited it from the gameplay. I was doing some Destiny 2 gameplay, so I have it edited up. And then just right here, right on the More Tools, it says Long Video to Shorts. So you just click that, the interface will load. So as a free account, you'll get up to 60 minutes per month for it to transform into shorts. It's already done several shorts for me here. And I do notice there's an issue between whether you drag and drop a file. So if you have some clips or something, so like here, I made this video yesterday, I drop it in here, and I notice it sometimes will go to like 90% and then stop. But if you use this space icon where it's your actual workspace, that works 100% of the time. So in order to put content into the space, come over to this left side here where it says Spaces, and here you can upload a project or media. So if you've already created a project, right, I have this project here that's started, you can just upload that. But I find it better to actually do the upload media option and then give it a few minutes, and then it will process it. So let's wait a second. I'll edit the video here after it's done uploading. Okay, there we go. So that took about, I don't know, 2 minutes, a minute and a half or something. So got that in there. And then once it's in, right, we'll go back to the home page, back to short form videos. And now it should be under the cloud, under space. If it's not here yet, it takes a few minutes to load in. So we'll just give it a few more minutes for everything to catch up. Okay, there we go. It took, a minute and a half or something. So now that that's in here, right, you just select it and then hit continue. And it'll upload the video. Hopefully it gets to 100%. It's kind of wonky. So this video is also kind of a fix for this issue. I was running into this when I was trying to use it earlier. There you go. And once everything's uploaded, you'll see that the video's here. If you only have like so many minutes you want to work with, you can drag the selected chunk. So say out of a 2-hour podcast, you only want to use 30 minutes of your 60-minute time limit for the month. And then the little purple diamond displays what's the paid features. I had issues with all the other stuff, so I just go default, and that works that way. And then you can set the duration for the shorts. So whether you want 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds, 30 to 60, 90. I usually just set it for less than 30. Seems like it's better retention on the shorts if they're clipped smaller. People have a short attention span. What? Bird, squirrel. And then also you can also include like if you want to find funny moments, you can type a like a descriptor for it to kind of highlight. And then once that's ready, you may need to, there you go. Make sure your windows fit to screen. Then you would just hit the convert button and let it go ahead and do that. So it'll take a few minutes. This is automated. I love it. Set this up, and then I'll check back when everything's done. So there we go. Looks like it loaded in a couple minutes. We've got 7 shorts out of a 5-minute video, so that's pretty nice. And then you can just go ahead and export it. You may want to double check and kind of proofread your shorts. AI can get kind of wonky, so I've had either ends of the spectrum where it'll be either like a very successful short where it gets hundreds of thousands of views, Or I get people in the comments like, what the heck are you doing, idiot? This is garbage. So you may want to check it out and see before you upload it, but I just kind of upload everything. So yell at me in the comments. I'm going to take this video and turn it into shorts and upload it as well. So feel free to blast me in the comments. But you can edit it if you want to do that. I don't. I just export it and it'll just load up right here. Once you get this page, right, you can export it, and then it is now ready to go. So it does throw on some, got a title here. It'll throw out some captions. It basically tries to clip the most viral moments or like whatever you prompted it with. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to, so then once you have this file, right, then you can go to any of your social medias. It's under my downloads right down here. It's the bottom one, 513. Yeah, 514. So it's this one. We just did this one right here. Then you can take this, you can upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, X, whatever social media that you want, Instagram. I usually do just the two. But anyway, boys, if this was helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe is always appreciated. And let me know about your shorts, if you're liking them, if this is helpful. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Take it easy.